Here's another two-digit multiplication problem. Remember, the first step is to multiply the ones. So we're going to multiply 2 times 8. So we have 2 times 8 ones. So that equals 16 ones. And I'm going to write the 16 ones with the 6 in the ones place and the 1 in the tens place. My next step is to multiply 2 by 6 tens. So remember, we multiply the ones first. So that's 2 times 8 ones. This is just like our homework was, and the work we did in class is 16 ones. And then the next step is 2 times 6 tens, which is 12 tens. And here's where some of you were having difficulty over the last couple of days. So if I have 12 tens, I'm going to just move this over a little bit. If I have 12 tens, that equals 120. So I need to start with my 12 ending in the tens place. So here's the tens place, the 12 ends here, and I'm missing something here. I need to have a 0 in order to show this is 12 tens rather than the number 12. And that's where quite a few of you in class were getting a little bit confused. If the third step is to add the two parts together, and remember, we multiply, and then we add our two numbers together. We can't just add 16 and 12 because remember, this is 12 tens. So then I just add like you normally would, 6 ones, 2 plus 1 is 3 tens, and the 100 is 136. The problem that some of you are running into, because you're trying to do this a shorter way, is you've got the same problem, 68 times 2, and you're trying to do multiplying the ones and multiplying the tens, but you're ending up looking like this. 2 times 8 is 16, and then you write 2 times 6 tens is 12 tens, and instead of thinking of my place value, I'm just going to write, well, I know 2 times 6 tens is 12, so that's 12, and I just put that next to this number, and I get 1,216. If you think about it, this is close to 70. So 70 times 2 is 7 tens times 2, which is 14 tens. So an estimate of the answer would be 140. But if I do the problem this way and I multiply 2 times 8 ones and then 2 multiplied by 6 tens, and I just write down the two parts of the problem, I haven't really solved the problem. I've just written down a few numbers here. Remember, my 12 tens needs to show up as 12 tens. So 12 with a 0 or moved over a place value. So 120 is the same as 12 tens. This is why we spent so much time talking about tens and hundreds in class over the last couple of days. It's important that you understand these two parts and that you're doing this as partial products. So make sure and come and see me for extra help if you have questions about this. We are going to continue this in January as well.